guys, welcome to Sandy Says. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I remove my makeup after I get back from work. So, just to make my video more authentic, I'm actually just back from work and now I'm going to show you how I take off my makeup after a really long, tiring day. So, without further delay, let's just check how I do. So guys, I'm a strong believer in double cleansing. If you don't know what double cleansing is, I will explain to you. Double cleansing is when you clean your face twice. First with an oil-based cleanser or an emulsifying balm or oil, and the second thing is you clean your face with a water-based cleanser, which is like your normal face wash that you use. Now, why to do this? Why to go that extra mile, and why to spend so much time cleaning your face? Because this double cleansing concept has come from Korean beauty or Korean skincare, and they believe that. Just using soap and water or just using a water-based cleanser is not enough for your face and all the impurities to come out of your face. So especially if you're someone who wears heavy makeup or any sort of makeup, you really need to clean everything, like all that dirt and impurities and makeup out of your pores before you go to bed. Otherwise you're going to have a really bad breakout, and none of us want that, do we? So in double cleansing, first what I do is there are a lot of cleansing balms or emulsifying balms available in the market. In Korean beauty products itself, like there are a lot of emulsifying balms, but what I do is I try to save money.
I'm rich.
So I take my normal cleanser, just a little bit of it, and I add olive oil to it. You can even use almond oil, but I would suggest that you stay away from coconut oil as it is a comedogenic product and it will clog your pores. So just stay away from coconut oil. So now I'm mixing my face wash, normal face wash, and olive oil. And now without washing my face, this is my dry face, I'm just gonna apply it like a balm. It's gonna get ugly, guys, so brace yourself. Just give a nice massage. Always use upward direction. If you're wearing mascara, you can use a little more of oil. Trust me, you should try this out. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to buy expensive products. You just have to use some olive oil or almond oil mixed with your cleanser, and you will thank me because you will have that clean feeling in your skin. So about 1 minute you have to massage this, because you should give the product its time to just get into the pores and emulsify all that dirt and makeup. Okay, so I'm done. Now I'm going to wash my face with lukewarm water. Alright guys, so I have washed my face in lukewarm water, and next step is to wash your face normally with whatever cleanser that you're using. I'm using a Korean beauty product which is AHA BHA PHA. This is by a company called Som by Me. I absolutely love this because I've got a very sensitive skin, as I've told you many times before. So this really helps me keep my breakout under check. This also have that really fresh minty feeling when you apply it. So I really love this. I use this range of products. It comes with a serum and also like the moisturizing cream, which is really amazing. So if you've got a skin like mine, a very sensitive and acne prone skin, do give this a try. I will give the product link in the description box, so you can just go there and try this out. It also comes in a trial pack which will last you for a good 1 month, and you can see if this suits you. It's not very expensive as well, it's very affordable, so try this out. And I'm going to wash my face. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have washed my face and I feel so relaxed, so relieved right now. I'm gonna follow it up with my night skincare routine as well. So first thing, after cleanser I do, where did it go?
2 hours later.
It's here. I use a cleanser. This is again by the HA Miracle Toner. It's the same range as my cleanser, and I really love this product as well. This is the best toner ever. I will never use any other toner because this really just cleans my skin without being too harsh on it, and it like smells also really good. It doesn't burn my skin. So one challenge I faced with most toners was that it just burned my skin whenever I used. So this is the one toner which actually gave a cooling effect and didn't burn me. Okay, then I follow it up with a serum. This is a different brand, but I really love this serum. It's a rejuvenating serum by Skincurity. I gently pat it. I really don't like massaging my face other than when I double cleanse, like when I use my oil balm, because I feel like you're like stretching your skin too much. So no, do not overdo it as well. Massaging is definitely good. It will increase your blood flow and your skin will glow, but I don't like to overdo it as I feel like it stretches my skin out. And I'm old, so I want to stay away from wrinkles. Okay, so after the serum, I'm gonna use a miracle cream. This is almost over. There is nothing left in this. So I have to order this again, which reminds me. Thank God I took this. So this one is also by Som by Me, the same range of products, AHA, BHA, PHA, and it's very like it's a water-based or a gel-based product. It really didn't have any color or anything, and oily skin people should stick to gel or water-based moisturizers. God, I love the smell. I really do. God, I love the smell. I really do. It puts me to sleep. Okay, that's it. Now I will just follow it up with some eye cream and lip balm. I'm still in search of a nice lip mask, but I haven't found one so far. If you guys know any really good lip mask, let me know in the comment box, or drop me a message on Instagram, because I really would like to know which one. So even like under my eyes, I don't massage. I have this fear that it's gonna like give me eye bags, or it's just gonna irritate my skin around the eyes. So I just tap it. Okay, I forgot to tell you about this eye mask. It's an eye mask, it's not a gel. This is by Body Shop, and it's called Drops of Youth. It just gives an instant cooling effect, which I really crave for. And next I'm gonna use a Nykaa Serial Kisser lip balm. It really doesn't have a color, but I don't like its smell. That's the only problem I have with this one. It has the smell of really old oil. I don't know if you know what I mean. Anyways, since I don't have anything better, I stick with this. But it's very moisturizing though, so you can just forget about or tolerate the smell. And the smell is not too strong. It's just when you wear it, you don't get the smell. You get the smell only if you smell it. So don't be like me and do unnecessary stuff. So that's it, guys. I'm done with my night skincare routine. I hope you will try this out, try the products. I really suggest them. And no, it's not sponsored. They're not paying me for promoting their products. It's just I genuinely love these products. I feel like I have got better skin after I started using it, and it's just not one thing, it's a combination of a lot of products. And you just have to do a lot of trial and error, because there is no right products. Every skin is different, every skin reacts to different products differently, but it's all about trial and error. So try these products. I will give the link in the description box. So that's all for today, guys. If you tried the skincare routine, let me know. At least try the double cleansing, because it is amazing. It's life changing. and you don't even have to go and buy any products. You already have these items at home. So I will see you with another video really soon. If you want me to make video on anything in particular, let me know. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do that. Like, share, comment, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you with another video very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay beautiful.